हेलो साथीहरु नमस्कार वेलकम अल अफ यु टु माई च्यानल आजको डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ एकाउन्टिङ फर लिजको बारेमा छलफल गर्नेछौँ अब लिज भनिसकेपछि तपाईले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने इज अ एग्रिमेन्ट बिट्विन लेसी एन्ड द लेसर भन्छौँ र इभन दिस टपिक वुड बी डिस्कस इन फाइनेन्शियल अकाउन्टिङ and even in the corporate finance friends. So आजको डिस्कसन whether you are the student of BBA honors भनौँ या BCom भनौँ या BBS भनौँ या even though you are the student of CA या SSCA हुनुहुन्छ भने I hope that today's discussion would be important for all of you friends. Now based on this background, now let's talk about the today what we are going to discuss friends. First of all, I will discuss about the meaning of leasing, then what type of parties involved in lease agreement, and thirdly I will discuss about the types of lease, that is the operating lease and the financial lease, and the lastly I would discuss the accounting treatment for leases friend. Okay, now let's talk about what we mean by uh, leasing frame. So is the leasing is, we can say that is a substitute for debt financing and hence expanded the range of financing alternatives available to the business yeah and to individuals, we can say that. That means अब लिजमा गर्ने कि पर्चेज गर्ने, that means if we don't have the huge funds, so we could avoid the debt financing. So that is the basic reason we say that leasing is a substitute for debt financing friend. तर हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ भने फ्रम द लेसी पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू वी हेभ टु पे लिज पेमेन्ट टु दि लेसर भन्छौँ. लेसर भनेको इज द ल्यान्डलर्ड. ओके, नाउ बिफोर 1950s यदि हिस्टोरिकली हेर्ने हो भने साथीहरू चाहिँ अब लिजिङ वाज जेनरली एसोसिएटेड विथ द रियल एस्टेट. आई एम टकिङ अबाउट बिफोर 1950. Okay, but today it is possible to lease almost any kind of assets. That is why we say that lease agreement is a legally binding contract between, or you can say that agreement between, one is the property owner who is a lessor and a user of the lease asset जसले लिजमा लिएको हुन्छ. अब अनरको प्रोपर्टी भनेको त्यसलाई हामी लेसी भन्छौँ साथीहरू चाहिँ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द टाइप्स अफ lease? That means one is the first is called operating leases, right, which is also known as services lease, that is off balance sheet financing friends. Just to ki international business machines, that is the shortcut we say that IBM was one of the pioneers of the operating lease contracts, we say that. Now what about the case of, you say short term nature huncha साथीहरु चाहिँ. Okay, but in case of financial lease or capital, which is also known as the capital lease, अब यसमा के हुन्छ भने साथीहरु चाहिँ टिपिकली डोन्ट प्रोभाइड फर मेन्टेनेन्स एउटा, एज इट ह्यापन्स इन द लिज अपरेटिङ लिज, जहाँ चाहिँ लेसरले चाहिँ के गर्छ भने दे वुड कभर दि मेन्टेनेन्स कस्ट टु. जस्तो कि अब सेकेन्ड भनेको टिपिकली आर नट क्यान्सलेबल. अब क्यापिटल लिज इज नट क्यान्सलेबल वाइल अपरेटिङ लिज कुड बी. ओके, र थर्ड भनेको आर जेनरली फर अ पिरियड द्याट एप्रोक्सिमेट द युजफुल लाइफ अफ द एसेट्स. जस्तो युजफुल लाइफ अफ द एसेट्स द लङ्गर पिरियडको लागि हुन्छ एन्ड विच विल बी एमोर्टाइज फ्रेन्ड्स. ओके, अब नाउ लेट्स टक अबाउट द्याट्स एकाउन्टिङ ट्रिटमेन्ट फर द लिजेसको भन्दाखेरि आजको होल डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ यही डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ साथीहरु चाहिँ. फर्स्ट अफ अल वी हेभ टु फाइन्ड द प्रेजेन्ट भ्यालु अफ द एनुअल लिज पेमेन्ट, फर्स्ट केस. सेकेन्ड भनेको चाहिँ द्याट इज अल अबाउट we will discuss about the journal entry for the present value of the annual lease payment. Lease payment को लागि मैले shortcut LT use गरेको छ. Now lessee records depreciation of how much, how the lessee would record the depreciation, which is the non-cash expenses. Then fourth I will discuss about the lease amortization using the effective interest method, and the how the lessee firm records the journal entry for annual lease payment. And finally I will discuss about the how the lessee firm reports the balances related to lease assets and the lease obligation. So you in this picture you could find the same thing, that is we have two types of lease friends. जस्तो कि फर्स्ट भनेको that is operating lease, सेकेन्ड भनेको financial lease जसलाई हामीले capital lease पनि भन्छौँ. ओके, Now let's talk about the one example जुन कि मैले Porter and Norton, which is a wonderful book, financial accounting, that is the impact on decision makers, 9th edition को चाहिँ you'll find in chapter 10, that is analysis of long term liabilities. तर यो चाहिँ liability for the leases को लिनु होला, that is the page number you will find 502 to 506 friends. Okay, wait, let's move to this question, friend. This is all about, suppose a lease agreement is signed with the lessor dealer on January 1st 2014 to lease a car for a year for $4,000 payable on December 31st 2014, and the term of the agreement specified that the lessee will make annual lease payment of $4,000 per year for 5 years. भनेको चाहिँ lease payment is the $4,000 per year र जसको पेमेन्ट कहिले के हुन्छ भने payable each December payment छ भने that is the payment at the end of the year भन्छौँ. Lease period is the 5 years. Also assume that the lease specifies that at the end of the lease agreement the title of the car would be transferred to the lessee firm, while interest rate is 8% per annum, we can say that. So this is the case of, first of all के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने this is the case of capital lease or the financial lease, friends. किनभने as per this question you could see here कि that is the lease specified that at the end of the year lease agreement the title of the car would be transferred to the lessee firm. That is the basic reason. It meets one of the criteria of the lease, capital lease. So this is the capital lease case. र अर्को भनेको चाहिँ that is why हामीले के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने we need to find, being the capital lease, present value of the lease, present value by the lessee as a lessee firm as an assets as an obligation. So that means that is the lease agreement date is that January 1st 2014. Okay, so present value of the lease payment भनिसकेपछि तपाईले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने lease payment would made at the end of the each year. So we have a 5-year payment छ भने that is the equal payment हुन्छ. That is the case, is the annuity. So formula would be lease payment into present value interest factor annuity, ब्याजको रेट भनेको 8%, 5 year गरे भने you will have a value of this month. That means 4,000 into an annuity factor of 8% for 5 years would be 3.99271. अब तपाईहरुसँग के हुन्छ भने one option is that you could use the take the reference of annuity table, या हामी formula use गर्न सक्छौं, that is the 1 minus 1 plus r को power n minus n by r. यो भन्नु नै के छ भने 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 0.08 को power 4 divide by 0.08 साथीहरु चाहिँ. ओके, अब यो भ्यालु भनेको that is why by taking the reference of annuity table पनि 3.99271 नै हो. ओके, so that is why you would have a present value of the lease payment भनेको कति हुन्छ त 15,972 friends. Okay, now let's move to the it's a capital lease लाई हामीले अब journal entry कसरी रेकर्ड गर्छौं त. So first entry is made on the basis of present value of the lease payment. अब that means how could the lessee record the journal entry? So अब look at this is your balance sheet, या you can say that accounting equation friends. अब accounting equation मा राखे जस्तो assets मा lease assets भनेको कति हुन्छ त 15,972 र next one is that the lease obligation. So तपाईले journal entry गर्यो भने that is a lease asset account debit to lease obligation accounts. अब यहाँ चाहिँ कुनै किसिमको किनभने at the beginning date we are going to record it. Okay, first entry. अब second question के हो भने that is all about हाम्रो depreciation कसरी निकाल्ने त. So by using a straight line approach, when you divide this value divided by its life 5 year, so you would have a depreciation would be that is 3,194 friends. Okay, so that is why look at your again balance sheet here. So यहाँ चाहिँ balance sheet मा हामी के गर्छौं भने accumulated depreciation lease assets 3,194 र अर्को भनेको शेयर होल्डर इक्विटी मा फेरि माइनस मा छ फेरि साथीहरु चाहिँ, किनभने यसले के गर्छ भने हाम्रो प्रेजेन्ट भ्यालु अफ द लीज पेमेन्ट को जुन एसेट भ्यालु छ दैट इज दी 15,972 will be reduced by this amount. Okay, किन रिड्युस गर्छ भने यहाँ हेर्नु है, because depreciation is the non cash expenses and that is the basic reason हाम्रो के हुन्छ भने यहाँ नेट इन्कम नेगेटिभ हुन्छ अनि नेगेटिभ नेट इन्कम भयो भने यसले इक्विटीलाई पनि नेगेटिभली इफेक्ट पारेको हुन्छ ओके सो दिस वे यु कुड फाइन्ड द डेप्रिसिएसन एन्ड रेकर्ड द जर्नल एन्ट्री फ्रेन्ड ओके हामी एकाउन्टिङ इक्वेसन या इन्कम स्टेटमेन्टबाट वी कुड सी द इम्प्याक्ट टु अब जाउँ हामी चाहिँ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ द लेसी फर्म would prepare the lease amortization by using the effective interest method okay so तपाईले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने that is one column we have a date second column is the lease payment र next one is the interest expenses त्यसपछि reduction of the lease obligation र reduction of the obligation last one is the lease obligation okay so on this date friends जुन यो डेट मैले भने साथीहरु चाहिँ यो डेट भनेको that is our lease agreement date okay so यो भनेको this value is nothing this is your present value of the lease payment 15972 okay अब हामी के गर्छौं भने this value भनेको this is the present this is the lease payment which is given in the questions प्रत्येक वर्ष at the end of the year you have lessee need to pay $4,000 to the lessor okay अब यो 8% भनेको हामी के गर्छौं भने that is 8% of यो डेटमा this is the beginning date we don't have value यो डेटमा that is 8% of this value यहाँ आयो अब that means यो value कति आयो भन्दाखेरि this is the column 1 minus column 2 so 4000 minus 1278 गर्नुभयो भने यो आउँछ okay that's the difference now यो value भनेको simply you say that 15972 minus यो value out गरिदियो भने we will have a information of 13250 यही प्रोसेस फलो गर्दै जाने र लास्टमा के गर्नु पर्यो भने लास्टमा अटोमेटिकली इट विल बी 0 फ्रेन्ड्स के गरे हो भने दिस इज रिमेनिङ इज 3706 यहाँ 3706 आयो 4000 we know it so this minus this भनेर यहाँ लास्टमा आइदिन्छ हाम्रो ओके अब नाउ लेट्स टक अबाउट इट्स on December 31st 2014 lessee firm records the following journal entry for the annual payment so that means अब because lessee ले payment कति गरेको छ भने 4000 so that is the cash outflow would be 4000 friends okay यो 4000 तपाई हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट लीज अब्लिगेसन भनेको कतिले घट्दो रहेछ लीज अब्लिगेसन हेर्नु त लीज अब्लिगेसन भनेको कति हुन्छ त दिस इज 2722 भनेको दिस वन लीज रिडक्सन इन द लीज अब्लिगेसन इट विल बी रिड्युस्ड बाइ 2722 या एन्ड तपाईको 12778 भनेको के हो भने दिस इज सिम्पली इन्ट्रेस्ट एक्सपेन्सेस र लुक एट योर इन्कम स्टेटमेन्ट फ्रेन्ड्स अब इन्कम स्टेटमेन्टमा हाम्रो इन्ट्रेस्ट एक्सपेन्सेस भयो दैट इज द बेसिक रिजन हाम्रो के हुन्छ भने यो नेट इन्कम वुड बी नेगेटिभ यो नेट इन्कम नेगेटिभ भयो भने नेचुरली के हुन्छ भने दिस इज विल बी अफ नेगेटिभ भ्यालु okay that this way you could analyze your journal entry accounting equation and at the same time you could prepare the loan lease amortization just to हामीले loan amortization schedule prepare गरेर हुन्छ simple process is the same okay अब question के आयो भने now अब how could the lessee record overall in balance sheet so in balance sheet मा गर्दाखेरि तपाईले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने साथीहरु चाहिँ this is अब तपाईको lease asset अहिले this is the present value of the lease payment र accumulated depreciation by using a straight line approach that is this one so accumulated depreciation भनेको that is a provision for depreciation भन्छौं हामी so that is the net asset value is this one 12778 now what about the current obligation मा कति छ current liabilities भनौं न current liabilities भनेको $2974 अब ब्याक मा जाउँ 2974 भनेको that means at the end of यो year मा तपाईले हेर्नुभयो भने the definition of current liabilities is that which mature within a year so यो value जुन भने मैले this is your current liability मा राखेको छ साथीहरु चाहिँ this is now what about the long term liabilities अब long term liabilities मा तपाईहरुको लागि यो फिगर हुन्छ that means this will be redeemed अब भनौं न amortize हुन्छ that is the case भनेको 10310 भनेको कति 10310 would be our lease obligation friend today आज हामीले के डिस्कस गरे भने simply we discuss about the that's the meaning of lease first of all and what are the types of lease then we discuss about broadly accounting treatment for the lease friends so this is the case we discuss about the example now We discuss about its journal entry, its lease amortization using effective interest method. Then we also last we discuss about how we could report as a lessee in balance sheet, friends. Okay, आजको डिस्कसनमा यदि डिस्कसनमा I believe that I have clarified the concept of accounting treatment for the lease. र आजको कन्टेन्ट तपाईँलाई मन परेछ भने प्लिज लाइक पनि गर्नु होला र मेरो च्यानल द्याट इज द फाइनेन्स गुरु पवन कुमार झालाई सब्सक्राइब पनि गर्नु होला. थ्याङ्क यू अल अफ यू फर वाचिङ दिस भिडियो. प्लिज टेक केयर अल अफ यू. थ्याङ्क यू.